Here's AI Cora, the world's first AI-powered social media manager that you can effortlessly text through WhatsApp, Telegram, or Discord. Imagine having a dedicated social media assistant that generates posts, images, videos, and captions 24/7 without the hefty salary. With just a simple message, you can send photos or ideas and watch as your AI manager creates engaging content tailored for every platform. Perfect for beginner entrepreneurs, AI Cora allows you to scale your own social media management agency fast, handling multiple clients from one central dashboard. Say goodbye to the stress of manual posting and content creation. Let AI do the heavy lifting for you. Businesses are hungry for daily content, and AI Cora enables you to deliver that high-demand service while earning monthly retainers ranging from $500 to $1,500 plus per client. Join the profitable revolution of automated social media management and watch your income soar as you effortlessly manage unlimited accounts. Don't wait. The launch is on since October 28th, 2025, and get ready to dominate the social media landscape. Right now you can get at a special price, but act fast, this special pricing can change at any time. AI Cora is an amazing tool that is for sure worth investing in. This is a limited time offer and something you do not want to miss out on. So hurry before it is too late. And if you purchase through my link below, fantastic bonuses await you, but don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more product tools.